I have a pimple. Hey guys, what's up? It's Q, and today I will be taking care of my best friend's puppy for the night. She needed someone to babysit her dog, so today I'll be spending a night with her little puppy. It's a small little pit bull. Her name is Aiko. She's kind of a newborn. She's a small little puppy, and so she's still getting used to the world. I'm a dog owner myself, but it'll be interesting to take care of a dog who doesn't really recognize me. We'll see how this goes. Today we're gonna be doing some activities like what I have planned. You know, we're gonna have like playtime. She already ate, so we're gonna see if she would like some water to stay hydrated. I can, you know, give her a few little exercise around the house and, you know, see what we can do and have some fun. You know, I'm really excited for her to spend some time with me, her favorite uncle. I'm only taking care of her for an hour, so we'll see how that goes. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Hi, Go. So taking care of a dog. This is Aiko, and this is my best friend's dog. She's going out to eat tonight, so she told me to take care of her dog. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna teach. Come on. Oh. Come on. Let's dance. We're gonna dance now. You don't wanna dance? Oh, okay. My bad. We're gonna dance. She just peed on me. What are you biting me for? Okay, let's dance. Let's dance. Oh, come on. Hey, hey, come on. Oh. Hey, go. No, no biting on the walls. Come on. What? Dance. Hey, shake that. And shake that. Hey. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sit. Okay. Why don't we teach you some words, okay? Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay down. Oh. No. There we go. Good girl. Let's stop. Sit down. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do some, you know, teeth strengthening exercises. So we're gonna play with this toy right here. Come on. Right here. Yeah, come on. Okay, fine. You wanna play with that one? Oh! You're a hopper, aren't you? We have to strengthen your teeth, Aiko. We'll take a nap. Take a nap right here. That's a good girl. Oh, she's thirsty. She thirsty. Ooh. Ooh. She just rolled her eyes. You're so aggressive, aren't you? Alright, it's time for your massage. I have to massage you. Wow, you're so spoiled. You like being spoiled, huh? Ow! Excuse me. In order for you to be like your uncle, we have to practice our walk. Because when we're out on the streets, we have to show them how it's done. So let's practice our walk, okay? Oh. Aiko, come on. Where are you going? Wow. Aiko, we have to practice our walk. All you want to do is lay down? Come on. Okay, let's walk. Ready? Ready? Come on, work it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. You're doing it wrong. Where are you going? Nope. Get. Okay, ready? Walk. Ooh. Walk and left, right, left, right. Now spin. No, you. And come on. Oh, is she peeing? Oh. Come on. And walk. Left, right. Oh. And walk. And walk. And walk. And walk. And pose. Pose. No. No. That's not yours. Get back. Okay, now pose for the camera. Say cheese. Smile. Oh. Oh. I thought you were grabbing something else. You need to learn how to pee in the right areas. Come on. Aiko. You just drank lots of water. You have to go pee. Oh. Beat her ass. Beat her ass, Aiko. Come on, get her. Fight her. Get her. Beat her ass. Come on, Aiko. Yeah. Get her right there, right there. Yeah. Get her. Hold her. Yeah. Pull her hair. Pull her hair. By her wing. Come on. Yes. Hold her back. Hold her back. You know what? You want me to jump her? Come on. Let's beat her ass. Come on. You know what? Yeah. Next time you talk to my friend like that, we're gonna come for you. So don't ever play us like that. Alright? With your blue hair. Right there. Come on, Aiko. Yes, bitch. Right there. Right there. Well, as you can see, taking care of a dog is not very easy, especially with this newborn. If you need someone to take care of your dogs, don't call me at all. I'm not the one. Ow! Can you apologize? Can you say sorry? Oh, it's okay. Oh, don't. I hear you hoes was talking shit. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.